Welcome back. In this video we'll complete the full setup for MT5 with Algo trading off. Follow my clicks exactly. I'll call out the only steps where most people get stuck. To find the signal, open the MT5 signal terminal, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D, go to MQL5 then Files, then select it via Browse. To set the window title, click Get Active Window, focus your target platform window, and wait for ClickMimic to capture the title. Now this is very important. Make sure you set everything in its final on-screen position, ideally without moving the order window, because ClickMimic saves the exact screen coordinates, not the button's appearance. Now I'm doing the mechanical setup. I click Set, then hover over the correct element on the target platform, no clicking. I keep the cursor there and wait for the Saved message. If you're not sure what to set, check the preview under Ref. Finally, confirm the indicator turns green. When setting close, don't actually close the position. You'll need to set it again for pending orders. For to lot field, enter 2, because after opening the order window you need to press Tab twice to reach that field. For to SL field, enter 1, because you press Tab once from the lot field to the SL field. For to TP field, enter 1, because you press Tab once from the SL field to the TP field. In Tabs count, tabs to market, pending, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once after opening the order window to reach this section. Tabs to position type, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from market, pending to reach this section. To lot field, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from position type to reach it. To open price, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from the lot field to reach this it. To SL field, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from the open price field to reach it. To TP field, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from the SL field to reach this it. To expiry type, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from the TP field to reach it. To expiry time, enter 1, because you need to press Tab once from expiry type to reach it. In arrow right, today, enter 0, because as soon as you enter this field you're already on the day value. To hours, enter 3, because you need to press the right arrow 3 times to reach the hours selector. To minutes, enter 1, because you need to press the right arrow once to reach the minutes selector. In arrow down, default pending menu, enter 1, because to select pending orders you need to press the down arrow once. Buy limit, enter 0, because you start on buy limit by default. Sell limit, enter 1, because you need to press down arrow once to move from buy limit to sell limit. Buy stop, enter 2, because you need to press down arrow twice to move from buy limit to buy stop. Sell stop, enter 3, because you need to press down arrow 3 times to move from buy limit to sell stop. Click to expiration specified option, enter 2, because you need to press down arrow twice to change from GTC to specified. After setting all buttons, make sure all indicators are green. Then go to Save Load Backup and click Save Settings. You should always do this after any changes to the program settings. Get ClickMimic at clickmimic.com/buy.